The army came back, demoralized, defeated, after they felt they were victorious. That was when the Somalis' nationalism became something of the past. Clans came up, warlords came up, other factions came up, religious groups came up.
Opposition to the military government increased. Encouraged by Ethiopia, tribes in the north rejected Barre's dictatorship. He turned his rockets and warplanes on them and attacked Hargeisa, the capital of former British Somalia, in May 1988, killing thousands of northern Somalis. In 1991, the southern and northern tribes, armed by Ethiopia, moved to overthrow